unless you have sales background and money. I see so many recruiters who start their own recruiting companies fail because they lack in pretty much both of those areas. You need both of those elements to be successful with your recruiting business. So for those of you watching this video, safe to assume you're thinking about starting a recruiting company, and I'm here to tell you that recruiting is sales, okay? When you start a recruiting agency, you have to go find clients, which is the sales side, and then you need to recruit and find candidates to fill those roles and to fill up your candidate pipeline. So most cases, people aren't in a position to hire a recruiter or hire a salesperson, so they kind of bootstrap the business, do it themselves. And I have consultation calls every week with people that are interested in joining Recruitemy or just starting their own recruiting business who say to me, I'm just not good at sales. You know, I'm an engineer by trade. I was in the IT industry. I did real estate, whatever it is. And they're just not comfortable on the phone handling objections with clients because, trust me guys, you're gonna get thrown all types of curveballs on these discovery calls with C-level executives at companies who know their business, and they are there to protect their company's money. So they're gonna drill you on questions like, hey, tell me what your markup is. We don't work on bill rates. How are you gonna answer that? Tell me why your hiring process is better than your competitors down the road. How do you find candidates? Why are they better? Or how about when you go to pitch your fee? Are you gonna pitch 20, 25, 30%, 15%? Let's say you pitch 20% for a direct hire and the manager says to you, no, we only work on 10%, take it or leave it. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when they ask you about your replacement guarantee? Guys, so many questions are going to be presented to you when you're on the phone with a hiring manager that you need to understand how to counter, how to be a consultative salesperson, and ease that manager's mind and get them to closure. Okay, so sales is a huge part of your day, of your week when you own a recruiting business. If you're not good at sales, please, I beg you, do not start a recruiting company just yet. I would empower you to go to seminars, get some sales books, watch some YouTube channels, whatever it is to sharpen your tools when it comes to sales, do that first. All right, the second piece is money. Okay, so yes, I get it. Recruiting is very attractive and lucrative because the expenses are low, right? You're dealing with human capital, not parts, not pieces, not warehouse costs or transportation costs. That's why so many people who don't know recruiting know a person who does it, like a neighbor, a relative, a friend who's making tons of money. And so they're intrigued by that and think they should do that because they'll make the same kind of money. Yes, again, guys, recruiting is amazing. It's lucrative. You can build wealth, but it takes all of 1 year to do this. I've started 3 recruiting and staffing companies in my lifetime. Each company took me 6 months to a year plus to gain momentum, to get to where I wanted to be, to build wealth, to pay my bills, and have any surplus of income to enjoy my life. If you're thinking in your head this is gonna take a month, 2 months, 3 months, you are wrong. Do not join any recruiting coaching program where they guarantee you results in a month or 2 months or 3 months. Okay, that is false. I've been through it, and I'm here to tell you it's a grind. Okay, you need perseverance, discipline, and there's things you need to do within your recruiting company and things you need to buy in the way of tools and personnel, and you're going to need savings, guys, cash in your bank account for at least 6 months. And if you don't have that right now, I would suggest going back, working for somebody, saving your money, because you need every bit of $10,000 to feel comfortable in starting your recruiting company going forward. That $10,000 is gonna be used for tools for your recruiting business, systems that you're gonna need, things are gonna come up. And then you might wanna hire a recruiter or a salesperson 4 or 5 months into it. And let's face it, the biggest thing, you need to pay your bills. So you need that $10,000, a portion of that, to pay your bills to get through the hard times that you're going to step into right now if you're gonna start your recruiting business. Hope that helps, guys.